we're going to show you how to fix an iPhone that won't connect to Wi-Fi. If this helps you out, feel free to like the video and consider subscribing. This issue can be frustrating since it stops you from using Wi-Fi properly. Luckily, we have a few different solutions you can try first. Swipe down from the top of your iPhone where the battery icon is, and press and hold your finger over the group of icons in the top left corner. Make sure your VPN is turned off. If it's enabled, simply tap it to disconnect next. If you're able to access your settings, scroll down and open the General section. From there, locate VPN and Device Management. Tap VPN. If there's one listed, tap the eye next to it and remove it. This might help fix the issue. Now go back to Settings and scroll to Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services, then scroll to the bottom and select System Services. In there, look for Networking and Wireless and toggle it off. Confirm when prompted. You should now restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the side power button. Keep holding it after the screen turns black when you see the Apple logo. Let go and wait for it to restart. Once your device powers back on, try connecting to your Wi-Fi again. If it still won't connect, test it by trying another Wi-Fi network, maybe a friend's or a public one. If that works, the issue is likely with your own Wi-Fi connection, and your router might need replacing. If none of that works, go back into Settings. Tap General. Scroll to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset. iPhone, tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. This might be the final step you need to solve the problem.